Hello, I'm Matthew Francis, and today I'm going to show you how to make some perfect fried eggs. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is you want to have a non-stick skillet on medium-high heat, and you can add any kind of fat to the pan you want. You can do butter, you can do olive oil. I'm going to go with olive oil because I'm trying to be healthy during quarantine. So let's go with some olive oil in here. We're going to go with an egg. Nice. Okay, and as you can see, what's great about the egg is you can see it start to coagulate, which means the proteins are starting to cook. And there's a thinner egg white on the outside, and on the thicker protein in here, it's going to take longer to cook. You can take a knife or a fork and sort of just pierce this thicker egg white, and that'll help it cook a little bit quicker. Okay, so now you can look in the pan here, and you can see that we have the egg white almost cooked, which means I'm now gonna season with some salt and some black pepper. And the reason why that the yolk takes longer to cook and is still runny while the white isn't is because an egg is so complex. It's like a protein powerhouse. There's different types of protein in both the yolk and in the white. And the ones in the yolk are much more melded with different fat molecules and phospholipids, which means that it's going to take a higher heat for that to fully cook. Whereas the whites are very simple types of proteins that cook very quickly. As you can see, it's starting to crisp up around the edges, which is so delicious. And just let it go until all of the egg white proteins are fully cooked. Those types of eggs are what you're seeing on Instagram, where they look so pretty and you're like, oh my god, I want to break into that and eat that. And you do that by making sure that your egg goes for a little bit longer at a high heat, so you're really getting crusty, nice brown edges. Okay, the egg is looking good. I'm going to take it out. You've got the crispy edges, you have the runny yolk still, and it looks beautiful that you could put that on an Instagram photo or however you want to photograph your eggs. And my favorite part is it tastes delicious. Okay, so let's take a bite. Ooh, perfect, just how I like it. You can see on the bottom here, you got that crispy bottom. Yeah, beautiful. Yummy, yum. Let's take a bite. There's crunch, the egg is salty, peppery, and it's also kind of got that nice unctuous flavor from the runny yolk. Perfect. Well, that's how you make some easy, perfect fried eggs of any different type. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below, and also tell me how you make your fried eggs. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make incredible breakfast content, egg content, stuff for brunch. You'll love it, and I'll see you next time. I'm Matthew. Bye.